Hello everyone. Today, we'll guide you through customizing your profile information on your universal profile in the LUKSO blockchain. First, log into your universal profile extension and select the profile you want to customize. Click on your profile and choose the Edit option. You'll see the profile page, which is currently blank. Upload a profile picture from your computer. Once it's uploaded, it'll appear like this. Now, let's add a cover photo. Again, upload one from your computer, and once it's done, it'll look like this. You can change your username here. For this example, I'll change it to Moxie. Note that the last 4 characters, which represent the last 4 characters of your address, will remain fixed. You can add tags here. Add a bio description in this section. Add any relevant web links here. For example, I'll add 2. After you've made all your edits, click Save. The extension will display a confirmation page since these changes are being saved on the blockchain. To confirm the transaction, you'll need to hold down the confirmation button for a long click. If you're wondering whether you can update your profile without LYX tokens, the answer is yes. Thanks to the Relayer service on the LUKSO blockchain, you can use the provided quota for gas-free transactions. Make a long click to confirm the changes and wait for the network to validate the transaction. You can review the transaction details once it's complete. After the transaction is completed, your profile will be updated and look like this. Let's verify the profile update on Universal Profile Cloud. If it's not updated yet, try connecting to your profile, refreshing the page, and waiting a moment. Here is the updated profile. All the images and information you added should be visible. The links work similarly to Linktree. I'll test by clicking on YouTube, which directs to my YouTube channel. Next, I'll try the Google link, and as expected, it navigates to Google. If you want to share a short link to your profile with friends, you can click here to copy the link. Your profile can also include tokens and NFTs, which will appear in this category if your profile contains any. Let's move to the dashboard. You can see that my dashboard has 2 profiles, which share the same transaction quota pool. I'll quickly customize my second profile here. Afterward, you'll notice that the gas used has increased and the remaining quota has decreased by the same amount. As with other blockchains, updating profiles requires gas fees. However, the LUKSO Relayer provides a monthly gas quota for transactions, allowing you to operate without native tokens in your profile or wallet. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.